Hi, I'm Steven from 137 Adventures. I just received these Aura Photon rock lights from OPT7, and I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Let's open the box. In the box you will find 4 aluminum rock lights that are water resistant, have a locking connector, and a durable rugged feel. There are channels to route the wire out either side to ensure a flush mount. This is your control box with a barrel connector for power and 4 output wires that run to each rock light. Your 3 mounting options are strong magnets that screw onto the back of the light, double-sided adhesive tape, and self-tapping screws. This is an optional relay from OPT7 with positive and negative eyelets, 5 amp fuse, on and off button, and a barrel connector to power the control box. Another option to power the control box is the included fuse taps and power cable, while using the remote as the on and off switch in addition to color control. For an easier install, you can use the included 12-volt socket plug, which has an on and off switch and barrel connector to power the control box. The included zip ties help with routing wires. And finally, the 4 included extension cables. Consider buying 2 extras for installation in trucks and SUVs. To begin your installation, find a good mounting location for your control box. I'll be using double-sided adhesive tape to mount on the outside of the battery box. Using the included power cable, we will run the negative connector to a stock ground bolt located next to the battery box and tying the positive wire into the TRX's stock auxiliary switch number 6. We chose auxiliary number 6 because the rock lights don't require much power and this switch is a lower amperage option. Attach the 2 positive wires using a butt splice crimp connector and cover it using heat shrink. Tidy up your wires and move on to installing your lights. If you are using the included adhesive tape, be sure to clean the mount surface thoroughly. We are using the adhesive tape because the TRX fender liner is plastic. Find your mounting location and drill a hole for the wire. Run the extension wire through the fender liner, then plug in and mount the light. Route your extension wire through the engine bay and plug into the control box. Be sure to avoid running the wire near the exhaust or any other high temp components. Replicate this process for the other 3 fender wells. Each rear light requires an additional extension cable to reach the control box in the engine bay on trucks and SUVs, so be sure to add 2 additional extension cables into your cart before checkout. Links and discount codes are in the description below. After hitting like and illuminating the subscribe button, tidy up your wires with the included zip ties. Plug the remaining wires into the control box, double check all connections, and prepare for the light show. Your stock auxiliary switches may have custom programming options. On the TRX, you go to Settings, Aux Switches, select your switch, go to Power Source, and select Battery. This will give you the ability to power on the lights when the engine power is off. Be sure to head over to opt7.com, choose your products, and at checkout, don't forget to use discount code 137Adventures for an additional 10% off. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.